For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get a teaching certificate online for free. Let's go. Okay, to start with, let me share my screen with you. Okay, so saan nga ba tayo kukuha ng teaching certificate? So mostly nowadays, some companies required you to have a teaching certificate like TEFL, TEYL, IELTS certificate. So, yung mga gamit mo online. So, sa akin is TEFL lang siya. So, it's just for free, guys. Mhm. And, yan, i-search nyo lang TFL certification. Ayun. So, lalabas dyan. So, hanapin nyo yung teacher record. Okay. So, there you go. Nanata sa teacher record na website and sign in lang ta. Okay. So, i-fill in nyo lang yung details ninyo. Okay, ayan na. So, continue. So, select your role. Ang purpose natin dito is mag-apply tayo ng TEFL certification. So, let's click this one and continue. So, very easy. And you'll have to make a password. So, ayun na. So, we will create an account. So, fill in nyo lang yung details nyo, guys. Fill in nyo lang. So, please select your years of experience. So, nationality ninyo, guys. Alam nyo na yan. And your current location. Ding i-type ako tapulan man ko. So, continue. Ganun lang siya. It's very easy. Let's get that code. Check your Gmail, guys. You should have an active Gmail account for this one. So, we've got a code. My account. Click nyo yan. So, it says, start now, enjoy your journey on TR job board now. Okay, so ito na siya, guys. Click start. Yes. So, click start, guys. Next, and ito na siya. All right, so this is the course list. Okay, so first, you need to study. Kay dili mo maka-answer sa test kung dili mo mag-study. So, ato lang sa ning buhaton, no? Ang isa. So, daghan-daghan dyan na siya, guys. So, imagine 120 hours. So, those people na magkuha og TEFL certificate, mas maayo jud og kanang kamo ang mubuhat ani, kamo ang mubasa kaysa nga magpabuhat mo sa lain. Kay aside from makakuha mog certificate, maka-learn magudpod mo di ani. So mga teaching strategy and other things, something related to teaching. So nga na siya, guys. So basahan lang na ninyo. Yes. So everything. Yeah. So let's try this one. And ay mag-skip kay kuan. Yeah, ay mag-skip kay dagayan kay magmatun-an daring dapita. Yeah. And of course, if mag-stop mo o buhat, mo-stop mo po ang oras. So, dili siya ingon nga ka na maka-pressure sa inyo. So, whenever you're available, you can do that. Okay? So, dagan-dagan jud siya. Imagine, um, maka-learn ka grammars, preposition, and many other stuff. Yes. And you need to go through this kay naa jud siya test. Magbalik-balik mo og dili ninyo na maansiran. Alright. But if you want to make it, very fast, do you want to get the certificate as much as possible, kalang agad-agad lanta mo sa YouTube. So na sila'y kuan ani. Yes, na sila'y guide. So search lang mo dito sa YouTube. Kay murag mabuang pug ka ani no. Buang ka og kanang binuhat. Yeah. So for example, this one na din siya yung mga um activity. So module 1 pa lang na siya. So daghan siya module guys. Okay, up until 13. So you need to answer everything. Yan. So dili lang kay for example sa mulaktaw-laktaw ka, every module na dyan siya mga activity. And it's very helpful for you. And if you finish this one, of course, tagan man nila og teaching certificate. Like for this one, ingani ang iyahang forma. So, ingani siya. So, pag makumpleto na to ninyo, guys, man siya magawas. You know, dear Churba Churba, congratulations, you have completed the 120-hour TEFL certificate course at TEFL Professional Institute. Mhm. Yes. And, dara, ma-view na din ninyo inyong TEFL certificate. Yes. So, you can download it. Yeah, maka-download mo. Pwede po, o ganahan mo og hard copy. Pwede sa mo magpa-deliver. Yes. So, nara diri guys. So, ingana lang siya kasayon. Okay. So, malakad to. Mayong hapon. Bye-bye, everyone.